welcome back. I'm here with another recipe. Today we are going to make something vegetarian. Yay! So today I am going to cook kado or turai or zucchini. So I'm just gonna walk you guys through the ingredients and let's just begin. The first ingredient that we need is zucchini. I am using 4 of them here, and I chose to have the skin on because I really love the taste of it. Moving on to the next, here again I am using fried onion, ginger, some garlic, turmeric, some paprika, some chili peppers, dried coriander. Last but not least, I am using my favorite olive oil. The coriander that I'm using here is just for garnishing. Mostly I use fresh mint, which is so tasty with it. But today I don't have it, so it's okay to use coriander. We have our pot. We're gonna drop some oil on it. Adding the fried onions. We're adding the spices now. Turmeric, paprika, garlic. I will add some ginger. I really want it spicy, so I'm adding as much as possible. You guys can eliminate this part. Adding the dried coriander. Also for the onions, you guys are free to use the fresh onions. We combined everything together and now it's time to add the tomato sauce. For the better taste, you can also add some curry powder, which makes it so tasty. So you can add that if you want. We're just gonna add some salt to taste. Now it's time to add the zucchini. And also we're just gonna add a bit of water, not too much, and let it cook for maybe 10 minutes and that's it. Just a bit, because you don't want to cook this too much because we don't want it mushy. So we're gonna put the cover on and let it cook for 10 minutes. We're gonna let it cook on medium heat. So here we go, our meal is ready, and the good part about this recipe was just it takes only 15 minutes, Such a quick, easy, healthy recipe, and it goes really well with some rice or some pita bread or some naan, and also some libneh as well. You can sprinkle some mint on top. It's super delicious. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe and let me know if you guys try this out. Until next video, bye bye.